Hello, fabulous fifth graders, and welcome to Sort 33. Your pattern this week will contain words with the CHER ending, which sounds like chur, the TUR ending, which sounds like chur, and the SUR ending, SURE ending, which sounds like jur, and the URE ending, which sounds like yer. So here you have CHER endings that sound like catcher, pitcher, rancher, teacher. Makes the chur sound at the end. You have words that have a TUR ending, and that has a very similar sound. It's the same sound actually. Picture, capture, creature, culture, future. The only way to know the difference between the spelling of catcher and picture is to memorize that catcher is a CHER ending and picture is a TURE ending. So you really just need to study the difference between these two groups of words. Over here you have SURE, which says jure, as in measure, leisure, pleasure, pressure, and treasure. And then over here you have words that make the yer sound, as in words like figure and failure. You have two oddballs this week, senior, and danger. Senior, it makes the yer sound, but it is spelled IOR, so it doesn't follow the pattern. And danger, it makes the yer sound, but it is spelled ER at the end of the word, and so it doesn't fit the pattern either. So those are your two oddballs. Okay, fifth graders, happy studying. Go get 'em.